Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today is, I was about to say today is Sunday, but today is definitely not Sunday. Today's Wednesday, I think. Yesterday was Wednesday because I watched TD Jake's Wednesday worship night. So today is Thursday, August 3rd. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm actually on my way to drop off the baby at daycare. I don't really know what I'm going to be doing today. My godson is over and he's home with my sons at the house with their dad. So I ran out to bring the baby to school. I might grab something to eat really quickly. And then I don't really know what I'm going to be doing today, but make sure you guys like, subscribe. We might go to the and follow me on Instagram. I was gonna move the camera, but then you'll be able to see the baby because I have like the mirror in the back. If you guys are new, I'm a foster mom, so I'm bringing my daughter that here's my daughter through foster care. Gonna bring her to daycare, and then I'm gonna hop back on with y'all because if I move the camera, then y'all gonna see her face in the mirror. The boys are at home, and I'm trying to think what else I was trying to do. And we're gonna get into a vlog today, y'all. I don't know what it's gonna be about, so we both gonna see. Mama. Pretty good, dude. Yeah. Alright guys, so I took the baby to school. She's so cute. My baby is getting so big. If you guys have been following me, you know I'm an adoptive foster mama, and baby girl has been with us since she's been 2 months, like 1 month, 2 months, and now she's 8 months turning 9 months. She's getting so big, and she's recently just started crawling. She got 2 little teeth, so sweet. And now like when I go to pick her up, she's like reaching for me and stuff. So love her. You guys know I'm like a boy mom, so I have a godson, I have an 11-year-old, and then I have a 7-year-old, and my godson is 4. All boys. So finally it's another girl in the house because they was outnumbering me, y'all. I was fighting for my life in a house of boys. Now I got a teammate, little mama right here. So I took her to school. I think I'm gonna head to Target really quickly. Like I said, I don't know what we're gonna do today. I meant to get some milk yesterday and I forgot to, so there's a Target not too far. I'm gonna grab some milk, and then I think I showed you before, well, all right guys, so this vlog gonna be a little out of order because last weekend we went to an event. You guys know I have a limb difference, so you see all my deodorant. I went to an event. We went out of town to Michigan for like this event where I'm a brand ambassador for a nonprofit called Lucky Fin, where it's a weekend where like families and children that have limb differences get together and like celebrate, have a picnic and things like that. I'm an ambassador, so like all the ambassadors got to like meet the kids, and we signed autographs and stuff like that. I actually am not done posting that vlog, but that was last weekend. You guys will probably see this vlog, and then you'll see that Lucky Fin weekend vlog next. So today, I was saying that to say that I think I did tell you guys we have season passes where we live to Six Flags, which is, you probably have heard of it, like Six Flags Great Adventure. It's like a amusement park, and where we live, there's also, they have the water park version of that, which is called Hurricane Harbor. And then they also have a safari, drive-through safari. So I know in one of the videos, you guys came with us to the safari. So since my godson is with us, he's 4, he's staying for like until the weekend. When we went to the safari last time, he wasn't there, so I think I want to take them to the safari today. And it's 74 degrees. I think it's gonna go to 80. So it's not like really warm, I think, for swimming. So we might just go to like the amusement park and the safari, and maybe I'll just bring their swimming suits in case they do want to go to the water park. You know, kids, they, even if it's cold, they still want to go swimming. It's not cold, but y'all know it's not like hot. for getting in the water for me. So let's go to Target's really quickly. I'm gonna get some milk, and then I was gonna run a couple errands, but I think I probably will just go back to the house and get them ready, and let's probably just go to the safari. We'll see what the day brings us. I just been more go with the flow lately, trying to plan my day, but also like just kind of go with whatever happens, you know. So we'll see what the day brings us, y'all. We'll see. Come along for the ride, y'all. All right. Okay. All right, guys, we're back in the car, and I did not just get out of Target. It's actually hours later. It is hours later. I did go to Target. I will try to show, I put the stuff away at home, so I did a lot since I last seen y'all. I went to Target, and I went there for milk, and I did get milk. But I also am making, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you see I'm making book bags for children that are entering foster care. So I went and got a couple of items to put in the book bag. Actually, I could show you guys that, like show you, and I can tell you guys where you can donate if you want to. And they're basically comfort cases. I partnered up with comfort cases to pack book bags that can be given to children on their first night in a foster home. So like blankets, pajamas are inside the bags. I put some fidget toys, like essentials as far as like soap and shampoo, conditioner, as well as like toothbrush, toothpaste, stuffed animal, and things like that. So I definitely will show you guys that. I actually went back and picked up my foster daughter after I went to Target, and now we're headed to the park. Like I was telling you guys, either we're gonna go to the safari and see the animals, or we're gonna go to Six Flags. We'll see. It looks like it's gonna rain, so we might go through the safari because we could stay in the car and drive through that, and then if it clears up, then we can go to the park after. Getting back there. But all right, guys, so I will see y'all when we get to the park, and then when you get home, I'm gonna show you guys my comfort cases. So shout out to Comfort Cases for sponsoring, guys, and providing me with the book bags to make for the children in foster care, and I'll show you guys once we get back to the house. But now we're gonna head to have some fun.
Shutting it down when I pop out. Riding downtown with the top down. Sun's got everybody out now. Yeah. Riding with my girls looking so good. Playing my song, feeling so good. Only good vibes in my book. Yeah. All we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibe. To the beach, you can meet me there. Tell me when you get there. Texting this boy with the long hair. Yeah, sky so pretty as the sun sets. Tell me what we're about to do next. No one is ready to go home yet. Yeah, all we wanna do is have a good time. I'm really loving the vibe.
guys, we got home from Six Flags. The kids had a great time. I'm gonna feed the baby, get her ready for bed, and we grooving out to Gracie's Corner. Gracie's Corner got hits, y'all. I love me some Gracie's Corner. Make sure you check the description box below to see how you can donate to children entering foster care and add to the Comfort Cases backpacks that I'm packing. So these are some of the items that I've added, like toothbrushes, chapsticks. It depends on the age and the if the bag is intended for a boy or a girl, what I added into the bag. But we want essentials like soaps, body wash, lotion, toothbrush, toothpaste. These are some additional toys that I found at Target today that I'm going to be adding. Socks, Pokemon cards, coloring books, blankets, pajamas, stuffed animals, journals, notebooks, pens, all of the above. So make sure you guys check the box. And all these cards, me or my children signed each one in each bag that we did pack. So if you guys want to contribute to the Comfort Case, all the information will be listed below. Smelly stickers, fidget toys, books, all things like that, y'all. So if y'all want to, Barbie dolls, you see, all of that. Look how many bags I have 25 bags, and I'm trying to stuff them to the brim with love and wonderful items for children that are entering into foster care. While I did get things for the Comfort Cases, I also got a book bag for my godson. He's 4, loves Spider-Man, so I got him all this stuff when I went to Target. And then I went over to GameStop and got a Naruto backpack for my son Nicholas, and some packs, and these black unicorn pajamas for the baby were on clearance, $9, y'all. Thanks for watching.